The stock Rebel 1100 horn is held on with a flat bracket that comes out from this bolt here. It's a 10mm bolt, and it's got one piece of metal, a flat piece of metal, and it's got this little arm that sticks off of the holder here, the guard I should say. I don't think it's much of a holder. Anyway, it's got those two together, and so when you take this off and it's gone, then the Denali Soundbomb comes with two metal colored brackets that takes the place of it. So you have to have those. So all together, I don't know if you can see that very well, but you have to have three of them. There's a black one right there, and then the two metal colored ones go back on in place of it. Comes off a 10mm wrench, and then the new Denali just simply bolts on in place. This is also a 10mm bolt that comes off on the back side. So you have to have this bracket that goes from there over to here, and then you have to unplug these two wires, which are on the bottom, and now they'll be on top. They have to go on top because this Denali thing here has to go downwards or water will get into it. And here's what it sounds like afterwards.